Hey folks, it's Jacob here at Gogg's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in a fresh trade. It's a 2021 Rockwood Ultra-Lite. It's a 2614BS. This will have a rear kitchen layout, front bedroom, middle bathroom. So we'll get to that in a second here. Starting with our power tongue jack. It does have a little light on there. Got the upgraded LP tanks. Got the battery. With the purchase here at Gogg's, you get a brand new battery, LP tanks full, as well as a few other things. Here is just the light switch. There's some lights right there. You'll notice we do have the 4-corner stabilizer jacks down. These are electric. The switch is on the other side. So this one's going to have 2 slides. One that has the bed on it. The other that has the theater seats, the dining table. We have a gray water holding tank in the middle here. A little fresh water drain. See it. And back here we have another gray water tank in our black. Above there we do have our city water connection. This would be our portable water. Looks like these are flushes. In here, kind of a mess, but we do got our filter for the water. Got our water heater. Right to the right of there is our power supply. This is a 50 amp. Got a couple windows in the kitchen, which is nice. We do got the spare tire. Obviously the stabilizer jacks. Back ladder here. It is prepped for a backup camera. Here we have the exhaust for the furnace. We have the outdoor shower. Here's the switches for the stabilizer jacks. Nice big power awning. Had windy here today, so I kept it up. You do have Bluetooth, or not Bluetooth, but just outdoor speakers out here. We got the outdoor kitchen. So this it's on a little swivel mount, 2-burner. Got the pretty nice sized refrigerator. Little freezer spot up there. Got some storage, some plug-ins there. Got the dual axle. Here we got satellite and some plug-ins. Right, and then this door opens up to the bedroom. We got 2 doors. Start back here. And again, guys, it's a 2021 Rockwood Ultra-Lite 2614BS. Really clean unit. I did want to point out these solid steps, really nice, both sets. So that's already taken care of. You do got a little shoe garage here, one of my favorite features. All right, like I said, it's a rear kitchen layout. We got the big fridge and freezer. And there's a little slide here when we're going down the road. We got the 3-burner stovetop, glass cover. A little behind there's a little knife rack. We got the oven, which would be for the knobs, little LED strips. Plenty of storage. Got the double sink, and this does move around. Back there is going to be charging, USB, wireless on top, and then 110. It goes back down like that. And then you will notice full blackout shades on all the windows. Kind of nice. We got the theater seats. These recline. There's a little lever here. And here is back lumbar support. Really nice. Tested it up before I did the video. You got storage compartments for remotes, even on the sides. And we got little lights for the reader. Storage above. Got the dining table. Looks like it does extend a foot here. About a foot. There we go. All right. Then we got the entertainment center. We got the TV. We got the radio for inside and out. Storage. Got a nice fireplace that does put off some nice heat. A little pantry here. Drawers. We got the control center here, and you can download an app to do this from your phone as well. But you got your slide outs, you got your lights, awning, you got your water heater, gas or electric, pump. You can see how full your battery is, how charged it is, how full your tanks are, all from that place right there. Roof AC. We got the thermostat. Got our toilet, sink, a little bit of storage there. Countertop space, a little bit of shelf, towel holder. Light's not on in here. Then we got the medicine cabinet. Nice big shower. With a nice skylight for headroom and natural light. Got the glass walls. And we got the back bedroom here. Nice mattress, really thick. A little bit of storage above. Just like those lights that were out in the living room, we got them here. Underneath, a couple drawers. And you can still lift up the bed. Nice wide window here with a shade. Got some plugins, USB-C or USB and 110. More storage. Drawers down here. We got deep closet space. Got a TV. And here we got that second door outside. That is going to do it, guys. Again, it's a 2021 Rockwood Ultra-Lite. It's a 2614BS. My name is Jacob. If you have any questions or would like to come see this in person, just give us a call at 507-345-5858. Thanks.